Okay, we are going to clean today the M&P 9mm shield. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure there's no ammunition in the area. The next thing we're going to do is take the magazine out, lay it aside, no ammunition in that. Then we're going to make sure the safety's off, if it has a safety. Take the safety off, press the slide stop lever up, and push the slide to the rear. We're going to check inside and down in the magazine well, put our finger in there to make sure there's no round in there. Now, right here is the ejector. On most of these M&Ps, the shields, there is a little Z-shaped piece of Z-shape underneath the ejector, and I'm reaching in with a little pointed item and I'm pushing it down. What that does is it locks the drop safety down. If you don't push this little piece down, when you take the disconnect and rotate it down, when you rotate it down that way, when you then release the slide, it may not come off until you squeeze the trigger. The easiest way to put it back together again is by then locating that little aluminum piece and pushing it down. You don't have to worry about pushing it back up again. When you put the magazine back in, it pushes it back up and puts the firearm back in operation. I make sure it's down because it's easier to clean. Now it's apart. 1, 2, 3. Take your thumb, push up. 4, 5. You're going to clean this slide this way. I use break-free, squirt, 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 squirt. Take my cleaning brush, make sure I get in the grooves. Just got finished shooting it, so it's dirty. Now I want to make sure I get the face of the bolt. So I have a brass brush, and I clean the face of the bolt this way. You!
Dinner.
Coming up, give me 5 minutes. This way. And I make sure that I get underneath the lip of the extractor. Okay? Now that's all clean. Scrubbed it up. And I take my brake cleaner that I buy at the automotive store. Make sure you point it in the right direction. Everything's off of it. Take a towel, wipe it off. I want to make sure it's dry. I don't want any oil on it because the oil just accumulates dirt. And these things don't need a lot of oil. Got a patch here. I got a clean toothbrush so I can use the patch to get out any excess oil that I've got in here, any excess cleaning material, and all the grooves. And it's clean. I take the bore, take the barrel, 2 squirts, take my bore brush, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Make sure the chamber end is clean. Then I take a little jag on a cleaning rod. Here we go. Little cleaner. And in it goes. Turn it upside down. In it goes. Get another one. Put it in. There it comes. It's clean. There it is. Clean. Done. Wipe it off. This goes back in here. Spring. Clean it off. Get the grease off of it. Dry it off. Spring. Back in. Watch the spring when you get it down so it doesn't spring out. Receiver. Squirt, squirt. Coming! Clean. All right. She called me for dinner, so I'm going to have to make 2 videos because I'm going to end this one and then I'll start another one after dinner, putting it back together again.